Hi there! So these are the all new Sony C510 earbuds. And guess what? We have all the four colors. There's black, there's white, there's yellow and there's blue. They're priced at 4,799 and are your perfect everyday earbuds. I've been using them for a couple of days. We'll share everything in detail, what's good and what it falls short of, so you can decide if these earbuds are worth your money or not. Let's begin. So let's start with a quick unboxing. So as you can see, we have all the colors here and opening them up will take time. So we just speeden the process. There you go. We've unboxed them all. So inside the box, you have the earbuds itself, some paperwork, which is basically the user manual and some guidelines, and two extra pair of ear tips, small and large. By the way, the black variant comes with dark grey, while all the rest of the colors are light grey or almost whitish. Sadly, there is no charging cable included in the box, which I think is fine. Most of us are anyway going to use our phone's USB-C cable. Alright, so here are all the colors of the C510s. Here's black, here's white, blue and yellow. Now it comes with a soft matte finish, super light at 31 grams in a compact form factor. My favorite part is that the case easily fits in your jeans' smallest pocket. Always handy. Colors are always subjective and Sony has got the perfect balance of bold, subtle and pastel yellow and blue. Let's have a closer look. So compact design, as mentioned earlier, easily fits in your palm. On the front is an LED light. On the back is the USB-C port and a pairing reset button. You can flip open the lid with just one hand. Personally, I find this very handy. The hinge is also pretty sturdy, has a nice click to it. Inside you can see the earbuds. Let's remove them. There you go. So we get a buds design and they're very well built. They're also very light at 4.6 grams and you barely feel them. You can also spot the microphones along with the Sony branding in the center. Then there are actually physical click buttons on the top to control the music and calls. Overall, a really nice and clean design. So the C510s come with IPX4 rating. So they have protection from mild splashes. Wear it at the gym or for a run. But again, be careful. In my opinion, keep it as away from water as much as possible. Then when it comes to codec support, we get SPC and AAC codec support. Then there's Google Fast Pairing available. We opened the lid next to our Android phone and you'll see a pairing pop up. Click to pair. You should also download the Sony Sound Connect app from the Play Store or App Store and follow the process and you'll see the earphones already connected and ready to use. More on the app later. Let's talk about the fit and comfort. Well, like always, I'm already wearing both and I should tell you that Sony knows how to get the fit right. It snugs in really nicely, blocking most of the passive sound. Just make sure you're wearing the right size of ear tips. Time for a head shake test. Oh my god, I think my bandana came loose a little, but actually I'll tell you that the earphones hold on really well. Also, I'll add, they feel really light and barely feel that you're wearing anything. Let's talk about the sound. Firstly, you must know that they come with 6mm drivers and the sound very peppy and crisp. The highs and mids are very detailed for such budget-friendly earbuds. The bass is good enough and makes the audio sound rich, but it lacks that super deep punch. However, if you go to the app, you can custom set the equalizer as per your preference, plus you can increase the clear bass from here. Now this is the kind of bass most people would love. You get the punch without giving you a migraine, and at the same time it still maintains the clarity. Again, don't expect the bass like the XM5 series. They are a league of its own. It also gets loud enough with no distortion even at high volume. You can enable DSEE from the app. It enhances the high frequency range of compressed audio like MP3s or low bitrate content for a more natural sounding experience. But remember, this might affect your battery life. For under 5K, the sound experience will way surpass your expectations. Also keep in mind that these earbuds don't come with active noise cancellation. But still I would say that the buds block most of the passive sound and it's not something I missed at all. But it does have ambient mode which you can enable from the companion app. Now this is like transparency mode where it makes you more aware of your surroundings. But it's not very strong. It's very mild ambient sound. In fact, if you're listening to music and ambient mode is turned on, you might barely even hear any outside sound. So that's something you got to keep in mind. Obviously, we also use these for phone calls. Let's see how they sound. So the audio hearing right now is being recorded from the mics of the Sony C510s. This is how you would sound to the other person when you're on a call. Each earbud comes with two microphones, but with the help of software, it further cancels out most of the external sound. However, you guys are the best judge. Write down in the comments and share your feedback about the audio quality. Then these also come with tap gestures, but there's actually a button that you press instead of tap gestures, and sometimes when you press the button, it feels like you're pressing your earbud inside your ear further, but soon you get the hang of it. You can change tracks, you can pause play the music, you can answer reject calls, yes, you can also adjust the volume, and you can even custom set these gestures from the companion app as per your preference. Really cool. But you must know that these earbuds don't come with any in-ear detection, so they won't pause and play when you remove them from your ear. Then we get dual pairing support, so technically you can pair two phones at the same time, like you can see here on the app, or even connect your laptop and phone. So for example, you're watching a movie on your laptop and you're wearing these buds and you receive a phone call, you can answer the phone call from your earbuds, talk, end the call, and the audio on the laptop will resume. Works flawlessly. Now, dual device connectivity is one of the most important features I would say look for in any earbuds that you buy in 2024. Then we also watch this to play games, and even though there isn't any dedicated gaming mode, there wasn't much noticeable delay. Of course, it's not perfect, but still you could wear it for casual gaming. Then we also wore this to watch movies and videos. The lip sync frankly was spot on. You can definitely use them on a long flight. Let's have a quick look at the Sound Connect companion app. So first thing you're going to see is this beautiful animation and the color of the earbuds that are currently connected. You can see the battery percentage of the earbuds as well as of the case. You can see the format of the audio. It's currently playing AAC. You can toggle on ambient mode from here. You can toggle it off from here. In equalizer, you can custom set the equalizer as well as choose from the presets like speech, bass boost, treble, and you can also change clear bass. If you come into systems here, you can adjust the tap gestures according to your preference. You can toggle on and off if you want to connect it to two devices at the same time. Further back, Find Your Equalizer is a really cool feature. Basically, it will run a couple of sound tests, and according to your hearing ability, it will make the audio sound even better. Very, very handy feature. Then further back, you can choose Bluetooth connection quality. You want to prioritize sound quality or you want to prioritize connection. The DSWE can be toggled on and off. Coming back, here below you can see that two devices are connected. Which two devices are connected will be visible here. You can even control the music that's playing on your phone directly from the app, and it's really, really nice. It's a very simple and easy to use interface, something I'm sure most of you are going to love using. Alright, let's talk about the battery. So Sony claims 11 hours of battery on a single charge with just the earbuds, and another 11 hours which you can charge using the case. That's 22 hours in total, which sounds stellar. However, in reality, you get about 5 to 8 hours on the earbuds and maybe another 8 hours with the case. Frankly, that too is really good considering the earbud size. It also supports fast charging. 5 minutes of charge will give you 1 hour of music playback. Good job there. Alright, final thoughts. So the Sony C510s are your everyday no-frills earbuds. They sound really good, they have amazing fit, they're compact, they're easy to use. Yes, they do lack ANC, so if that's something you're okay with, the Sony C510s are killer. They're priced at $4,700 and are already on sale. In fact, with some card offers, you can get this for as low as $3,900. I'll share the links of all these color variants below in the description. Do check out the card offers if there are any on Amazon. Highly recommended earbuds for sure. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.